Oh, I saw your question in the email about this problem. Due to a manufacturing error, 4 cans of regular soda were accidentally filled with diet soda and placed in an 18-pack. Suppose that 2 cans are randomly selected from the 18-pack. Complete the following. I guess your question is about this one here. And I guess on the handout, I didn't quite finish it today. I will finish it Thursday. But the last part, this one matches up with that question on the handout that we'll finish up on Thursday. So probability you get one diet and one regular. And so there's two ways that could happen. You could select a diet and then a regular, or you could select a regular and then a diet. So there's actually two ways. So this would be equivalent to probability the first one's a diet and the second's a regular, or the first is a regular and the second one's a diet. And with this being an or, you use the addition rule here. So the probability of first diet and second regular plus probability first regular and second diet. So what's the probability of the first one's diet? Well, there's 18 cans, and there's 4, I guess we're actually 4 cans of regular soda were accidentally filled with diet. So they accidentally put 4 of them with diet in there. Then, assuming you're successful here, that leaves you with only 17 cans, and assuming you got a diet one, that would leave you 14 regular. And then they reverse it here. You got 18 cans, and then you got 14 of them are regular. In the second drawing, you'd only have 17 cans, and assuming you did get a regular here, that would leave you 4 diets. So you just got to put that in the calculator, I guess, and round it to 4 decimals. Hope that helps.